Test. Okay. I'm just gonna trust that this works. Let's do a quick video. It's more configuring, to be honest. Dockerfile, Docker Compose, Redis. I actually am going to add a Redis commander because I didn't know that's what the GUI is. So, and you open up with your browser, so I'm like, oh wow, I did not know that. So, the more you learn. Anyways, so we'll do Redis commander. So that's, I think I have a configuration file that I can copy here. Commander. Yep. Yank this here, get this out of here. Let's call this SpiderNet, and let me just let me run up Docker real quick. So let me Docker compose up --ddb Redis and Redis commander. Yeah, I do need to, oh shit. Oh yeah, okay, let me conflict. There is one that's already there, so I probably need to adjust that Redis. Well, I guess it's up already, so well actually, where is the ranked actually? Wait, I got a naming conflict. Container Redis. Ah, makes sense. Okay, so I guess, can we call this SpiderNet instead? Well, okay, let me just, how about I just delete this? There's no point in having this anyways. Yeah, goodbye. And then have this, and then let's Docker compose these boys up. Perfect. Actually, can I, is it? Oh, I don't know if it's running though. Well, let's try. If it's on here. Also, I'm trying this new browser up. Helium, which is kind of cool. Okay, I guess not. Never mind. I gotta learn how to do this setup here. But anyways, what the fuck is this? Just get rid of that. Does that affect anything? Okay, that makes sense. I guess I do need this. Okay, so we got these running. This is all the Redis stuff. I haven't started this one. I'm not gonna start this yet, just yet. Okay, so now if I check my D thing, we have a SpiderNet, and then we have a Redis instance coming out here. Perfect. Super nice. Yeah. Should we also boot up our Postgres? Let's try that. Docker compose up. Let's do the Postgres. Oh, I guess Docker compose. Oh, it's called DB. There it is. Is that what it's called? DB? Oh, the fucking name is this. So yeah. Wait, what? Let's see. Ah, so now it's working. I see. So now I can see the stuff here. So, but I don't have anything that's connected to it, so it's fine. Okay. Anyways, let me just stop this, I guess. But yeah, we have the Redis Commander instance. We have the Postgres. I guess we have two Postgres. I don't know which one is the one I'm supposed to use. Well, let me double check. This might have. This should tell me if I have the SpiderNet one. No, this is the one. This is the SpiderNet. Yeah. So we have these containers here. Okay, perfect. Is this another instance? This is the tiny URL. Let me just delete it so it's less confusing. Yeah. What? I can't delete this? Oh. Wait, it's in use? Who's it being used by? Is my tiny URL server being run actually? I guess. Let's delete this. There you go. So, but if I check this here, we'll have the Postgres DB here, and then I guess some other stuff going on. Okay, anyways, we have a decent start for that. SpiderNet. Okay, so I want to add this for sure. Stage this, commit this. I guess a feature. Docker compose file modified. Yeah, so we got that going. So yep, so that's that. Okay, we got the API.go. We'll probably make some like routing stuff. And yeah, we could do that. CLI, migrations, migrate workers, main.go. Get package, store. Okay, so I'm gonna basically do a lot of copy paste from my last project because it's a lot of boilerplate that I want to get over with. So let's see the main.go. Basically a lot of this stuff here, yes. So what is happening? Okay, let's copy this. Internal auth, env, leaderboard. Probably let's copy over the I guess we can go to env as well. Get all of this here. Pretty easy functions to add. env.go. Go mod. Well, I'll run that after I have everything I want. We also need our API.go. It's basically cost most of this here. So definitely not leaderboard, so let's get rid of that. Redis config, auth config. We're gonna have no auth, so that's fine. So get rid of that. So I think this is good enough. Let's have these together. Or let's have these together here. API URL. What is that actually? I don't know. I don't think I ever configured this. Yeah, I never configured that, so let's actually get rid of that then. What is the environment though? I think I actually never configured that too, so we could low-key get rid of that. And nothing breaks, right? Okay, perfect. So I could get rid of this too. So I just need an address, I think. Yeah, which is just like the port. I think I can basically copy this. Anyways, yeah. Let me actually commit this because I don't remove unused config fields. Okay. Okay, so this is that auth. We don't need an auth anymore. We're gonna call this store now, so that's that. And this is not called ranked. It's gonna be called spidernet. No auth. I think we add a Redis store though. Redis queue, or I guess yeah, Redis. I don't know where to put this actually. Because where did the gopher put it? They call it cache storage. Okay. What should we call ours? We should call our, I guess, queue storage. Yeah, let's call it queue, I guess, storage. Queue dot I have no idea what that's gonna be, to be honest. Queue dot storage, I guess. We'll have something that implements this, I guess. Yeah, it's called store actually. And let me just initialize them in the thing so I don't get some stupid errors, you know. Well, we have store that store. Probably get rid of all of this for sure. These are for sure to do. Some rollback stuff. Redis.go. That's useful. Package Q. I think the latest one is 9, so that's really nice. And ooh, let's fix up our routing as well. So routes.go. So let's do routes. Well, this one is in here, so copy this here. I guess we could do this in the API, no? Go mod tidy. Okay, I got import issues. So okay, let me fix these q.go. But required as like this. So let's do that. Okay, go mod tidy. What? Module declares this pass as github.com redis go redis v9, but was required as let me see who uses this actually. Bro, this is annoying me. Hold on. q.go. Okay, it is this. I guess version 9 though? Can we use version 9? Go mod tidy. Okay, let me just get rid of this for now. The fuck? What is this? Let's copy this here. Oh, no, I don't need a route. I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, but the problem is now I have Gopher. It just returns a new client. But this is all in the cache. Oh, this is cache, and then there's a storage.go. Beautiful. That's how I should have done it. I did that. That's something I need to learn. So q.go, and then we'll have a storage.go. And then boom, I call this q. This doesn't make sense. Boat Noah / spider. We don't return anything. For sure, don't return anything. Storage.go. Ranked with spidernet / GC. Yes, 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 yes. Well, I don't even need this, to be honest. I don't need this at all. Wait a minute, hold on. Okay, yeah, this is the we don't need this at all. We don't need this. We don't need this. We do. Wait, we do need that. Is it this? This service. No. And then we need a queue. Redis. Well, okay, this is definitely doesn't exist. Definitely don't need this. Definitely don't need this. I think we can do like a queue here. Q dot new Redis client. Takes all those values. I think config dot Azure config dot p. Well, I need to specify Redis config dot Azure. What else? We need the pw Redis config dot pw dot config dot Redis config dot db int db, and then put the queue here. Boop boop, mount. No errors. Should we call? I don't think we need this. We do need we do need a DB though. Let's create that actually. Let's call it an adapter. It's adapter dot go slash, and then we'll do db.go redis.go, and we'll do that bullshit thing db.go, or yeah, I copy this because oh shit. Package, nope, adapter, what the fuck. Redis. Bro, there's gotta be more to this. Mox. User. Is there no like ping shit that we need to set up for this? Okay, I guess not, right? I guess I don't need this. Okay, well, let me just go mod tidy real quick. Okay, we'll get here. Stage. Setup boilerplate. Set a boilerplate. project configuration, server configuration, DB. And what? Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So let's honestly delete all of this for now. What the fuck is this? Oh, this is not supposed to be here. Okay, so we should basically have like our project structure here real quick. Let me tree this real quick. We have our binary. We have our entry points, API, main.go. API does like all that stuff, fancy stuff. Hold on, there's one big thing though. I don't remember. Where do they do their routes? All in the API, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, let's do this as well. Mount. I don't remember where to go here. API. Yeah, this is what I was trying to get rid of. Let's get rid of this. Let's do some health operations. This is a health. Okay, let's actually write that out. And have this. Actually want to copy this as well. Don't need this. They have version as well. Version? Where? Where do they add version? Okay. Write your own health check. Because I don't know what the fuck this is supposed to be. What else can we copy before we start to do some helpful JSON stuff? Perfect. I'll take this helpful JSON stuff here. So how does he use this? JSON? We have that. But where does he run that though? Is this ever used? What the fuck do you write that? Okay, I don't even know what the purpose of that is then. Some more dependencies, to be honest. Why do I even need this? Okay, we have a write JSON. So like after some like action, he can just do write JSON, right? Bro, nowhere he uses this. Do we really need this, to be honest? Let's get rid of this shit. There's no point of having this, to be honest. Overcomplicating it for no reason. Okay. Okay, that's good enough for today. See you guys tomorrow.